Secret number 3 to add excitement to your life is to identify the secret beliefs that control your life. Now, I'm talking about your belief system, and the way I'm using it here, I'm not referring to religious beliefs or anything. I'm talking about your internal belief system, which is usually formed by about age 5 or 6. Yesterday I'm on this beautiful cruise ship, and yesterday we were on the island of Barbados. And as I stood out looking out to the landscape and the horizon, I got to thinking how most of my beliefs about life and who I am were actually formed in Barbados, because we tend to form more beliefs usually from the first 6 to 7 years of our lives. And that's where I lived for the first 8 years of my life before I moved to Connecticut. Now, the thing about beliefs is that it's an inheritance. It's an inheritance you may not want, because it comes from your parents, your grandparents, your neighbors, your clergy, those in authority, teachers, anyone that you looked up to when you were a child, because anything that they said, whether it was true or not, you took it at face value. And that's how your beliefs about the world and about how you fit into the world are shaped. Now, the way to get over and to form some new beliefs is start becoming aware of the beliefs you currently have right now. Are they serving you? Are they helping you? Or are they hindering you? You've got to identify them before you can make any changes, because sometimes awareness by itself can be the biggest thing in getting over the things that are holding you back. So identify the beliefs that hold you back, and then see, do they still help you? And if they don't, it's time to rewrite it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you can rewrite your personal history. If you don't like it, form new beliefs that support you. Think about what it is that you would want to have, the way you want your life to be, and how the beliefs that you have about the world, yourself, and how you fit into it, these are the beliefs that cause you to get things you want and the things that you don't want. So once you identify those beliefs, I'll show you in my 7-step system even more detailed ways to make over your belief system and have you create excitement into your lifestyle.